testing out my latest TJ Maxx find, including this Café Marc Jacobs item. Hello everybody, this is Ann, Fabulous Life 101. Hey, if you're not already a subscriber to our channel, could you please hit that subscribe button and the bell notifications right now? I cover everything from meditation to makeup and a whole lot more. Thanks so much. Anyway, on with the video. Good morning, beautiful people. Today I'm testing two of the products I bought last week at TJ Maxx. The first is this Marc Jacobs Extra Shot, and it's called Concealer and Foundation. It's caffeine. Let's see, it's called Café Marc Jacobs Extra Shot Caffeine Concealer and Foundation. So I'm curious, does it work as both or what? So I'm going to give it a shot. Here it comes out very, very creamy. I'm going to start just doing under the eye as a concealer. And take a sponge and just sort of pat it in a little bit. Of course, at TJ Maxx, you don't have a lot of color options. This one just says light 140. So I'm not sure how many colors this came in. But okay, it seems to be working pretty nicely as a concealer. Just curious about how it does if I try to blend it in more a little bit as a foundation. Just tapping along and see how it blends. Let's take my foundation brush. It's a little thicker than what I normally like for foundation, but it does blend really well. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and go the whole shot with this and just tap a few bits more. Take it along. Caffeine is supposed to be good for reducing inflammation. I know caffeine gets me started in the morning. Haven't had any yet today, but I've used a caffeine solution by The Ordinary under my eyes to help reduce puffiness. And it seems to help a little bit. Okay. I do need a little powder after that, so I'm taking this Tarte, the little Shape Tape powder, and I think I'm just going to go in with my foundation brush and top it off with this. Okay, the overall feel is, it's sort of in between a concealer and a foundation, a little bit light for concealer, a little bit heavy, and a little bit sticky for foundation. So I don't think this is going to be among my favorites in either category, but I do like the idea of putting caffeine in makeup. The other item I bought was this Crème Shop Aurora, and this is Super Stella. This is a highlighter, and look what happened to it. Yeah, I dropped it and it shattered in a bunch of little pieces, but I'm going to try and make use of it anyway, and just put some on this brush, just kind of pat it down with it. And then just put a little bit of this on my cheeks. And I do like this a lot. I just wish it hadn't broken. It's, yeah, a little bit dark now. I think I need to blot it out with a sponge a little bit. Let me do my lips, finish up a little bit, and I'll get right back and give you my assessment. Okay, I finished up. I added even a little more powder just to try and tone down the shine of this. I do like this Crème Shop Aurora. I just wish it had not broken, because it's a nice formula. It goes on smoothly. It blends well. This Marc Jacobs, I guess this is why it's at TJ Maxx. It's a little bit thin to be a good concealer and a little bit thick to be a good foundation. I felt like it was a little too heavy and luminous to really use all over my face. I probably will not do that again. As a concealer, it's okay. It's not my favorite. I don't rank it as well as I do the Shape Tape or the even some things I found by e.l.f. or Catrice and other budget brands. But it's not bad either. It is nice and creamy. It does have the caffeine. I like the idea of using caffeine under the eyes. I think it does help with depuffing. But overall, this is kind of a very weak thumb halfway up. And this, like I said, if it had stayed in place, it would be a strong thumbs up. So these are 2 of my recent TJ Maxx finds. Anyway, if you know of a brand or a shop or something you'd like for me to test out, let me know. Leave a comment down below. I'd love to hear from you. Also, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Thanks for watching. Have a fabulous day. Peace, love, and light.